Did you know? Your body produces enough heat every day to boil half a gallon of water just by staying alive. That heat comes from your metabolism, the process that converts food into energy and keeps you warm. Think of your body like a mini furnace constantly burning calories and releasing energy to maintain your temperature. Even while you sleep, your body keeps generating heat. Your cells never stop working. So remember, you're literally carrying a living furnace inside you, burning energy every second. Don't forget to like the video. Subscribe to Orbit.